Hello. Okay, so welcome to our Excel 101. So let's um, discuss the VLOOKUP versus XLOOKUP. So the VLOOKUP is the old formula of Excel. This is the new formula for lookup formula of Excel. So in VLOOKUP, um, we need the identifier, which is the lookup value, then comma, the table array, which is column D to E. So we will looking for favorite color. So let's start with the D because this is the column for the lookup value. Then the column E, this is the result. Then comma, number two. It's because 1 and 2, the second column is the result, which is we're looking for the answer in favorite color. Then comma, then 0 for the exact match. Okay, then enter. That's the VLOOKUP. Um, let's go to this favorite sports. VLOOKUP will not function for the left column if the lookup value is in the middle, but the answer is in the column C, which is the left of the lookup value. So let's try. Um, Lookup value is Michael. Then VLOOKUP can't find the favorite sports here because the column for the lookup value is in the right. Uh, VLOOKUP will work if the favorite sports column is always on the right side of the um, lookup value. So that's not user friendly na anymore. So um, I will demo the Xlookup now. So the Xlookup is very useful than the VLOOKUP because it's work perfectly fine. Yeah, perfectly fine. So let's try. Um, we will need all. We will need the lookup value. Then lookup array is the column for the lookup value. Then comma. Then the column for the answer. Then enter. That's simple. That's so simple. So in VLOOKUP, we need the range, the number of columns, then the 0 for the exact match. In XLOOKUP, we only need the range and the answer column. So that's the big difference of VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is the old formula, which which is now um, um, replaced by XLOOKUP. So don't use VLOOKUP anymore. Let's use XLOOKUP. This will this is the life changing of um, for the formula of Excel. Yeah. So let's try again. Um, XLOOKUP identifier, comma, then identifier, comma, and then the answer. Boom. So XLOOKUP is like index match, which is any column anywhere you can find your answer. So XLOOKUP is way better than the VLOOKUP. So let's delete this VLOOKUP. up, let's use Xlookup. Thank you. Bye bye.